Welcome back to the class, friends. My name is Kausalya. In today's episode, we are going to solve a few problems based on pair of linear equations in two variables. Generally, these questions appear in competitive exams. In today's episode, we shall solve a few problems. Let's see the first question for today's episode. The value of y in the solution of equations 2 power x plus y is equal to 2 power x minus y is root 8. And that is option A 0, option B 1 by 4, option C 1 by 2, option D 3 by 4. Now what do we have in the question? We have 2 power x plus y is equal to 2 power x minus y, which is equal to root over 8. Here we have base 2 in both these places. However, this is root 8. Now let us convert root 8 into base 2. So what is 8? 8 is 2 power 3, right? 2 cube. And what does root mean? It means something to the power 1 by 2. So we can write root 8 as root 2 power 3. Now, because there is root here, this can be written as 2 cube whole power 1 by 2. And 2 cube whole power 1 by 2 is what? 2 power 3 by 2. Now, 2 power x plus y is equal to 2 power 3 by 2. 2 power x minus y is equal to 2 power 3 by 2. So what does this mean? Here the base is same, 2, right? So we can write this as x plus y is equal to 3 by 2 or x minus y is equal to 3 by 2. Now let's call this as equation 1 and let's call this as equation 2. So these are a pair of linear equations in two variables. If you see, there is plus and minus signs here while coefficients are same. So we can use elimination method. We can use substitution method, we can use elimination method, or we can use Cramer's rule. But it would be easy to use elimination method to get the answer quickly. Because the signs are different for y, we can just directly add. So this becomes 2x, y and y gets cancelled, is equal to 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2 is 3. We have 2x is equal to 3, which means x is equal to 3 by 2. This can now be substituted in any of these two equations. So let's take x plus y is equal to 3 by 2. Here in place of x, we can add this value 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 plus y is equal to 3 by 2. So y is equal to 3 by 2. This shifts that side. So minus 3 by 2, which is equal to 0. So the value of y is 0. Which means here option A. Let's see the next question. The sum of the digit of a two-digit number is 8. The difference between this number and the number obtained by reversing it is 18. The two-digit number is, we got 4 options, 26, 62, 53, 71. Let's see how to solve this. In the question they mentioned the sum of the digit of a two-digit number is 8, which means there is a number which contains 2 digits. Let's call it as T and U. U is units place, T is tens place. Now let's call the units place as X and let's call the tens place as Y. It says sum of the digit of a two-digit number is 8, which means the sum of these two digits X plus Y is equal to 8. Then let's suppose take an example 36. So this is a two-digit number. Here 6 is in the unit place, 3 is in the tens place. How do we write this? This is 6 into 1 because this is in units place plus 3 into 10 because this is in tens place. So this is 6 plus 30, which means 36. Similarly, if we consider this as x and y, then this becomes x into 1 plus y into 10, which means x plus 10y. This means the original number is x plus 10y. They mention the difference between this number and the number obtained by reversing it is 18. First, let us find out the number obtaining by reversing it. So, let's call it as reverse number, which means here in tens place we are going to write x and unit place we are going to write y. So, what does it become? X into 10 plus y into 1, which is 10x plus y. We right now have a original number which is x plus 10y and the reverse number which is 10x plus y. In the question they mention difference between these two is 18. So which means x plus 10y minus 10x plus y is equal to 18. Let us find out the value of these two before concluding this. So x plus 10y minus 10x plus y. So here this is minus 9x. So this is plus 9y. Which means minus x plus 9y is equal to 18. Now here we can take 9 is common, so we have minus x plus y is equal to 18. Then minus x plus y is equal to 18 by 9, which is 2. So let's call this as equation 2 and this would be our equation 1. These two equations are a pair of linear equations in two variables. Now let's write these two. X plus y is equal to 8 minus x plus y is equal to 2. There are three methods to solve a linear equation in two variables. We are going to use the elimination method because coefficients of x are same and there is difference in the signs, and by adding these two equations we can easily eliminate x. So I'm going to add this and this gets cancelled. So this is 2y is equal to 10, y is equal to 10 by 2, which is 5. Now replace the value of y in any of these two equations. I'm going to consider x plus y is equal to 8, x plus 5 is equal to 8, x is equal to 8 minus 5, which is 3. So y is equal to 5, x is equal to 3. In the beginning, we considered the units place as x and tens place as y. So x value is 3 and y value is 5. So we have the y value as 5 and x value as 3. In the beginning, we considered the unit place as x and tens place as y. So tens place y is equal to 5 and units place x is equal to 3. So the answer is 53. Option C is the right answer. So the next question is, what is the value of x plus y in the solution of the equations x by 4 plus y by 3 is equal to 5 by 12 and x by 2 plus y is equal to 1? I got 4 options here. Option A 1 by 3, option B 3 by 2, option C 2, option D 5 by 2. We have two equations in the question. One is x by 4 plus y by 3 is equal to 5 by 12. Let's call this as equation 1. And x by 2 plus y is equal to 1. Let's call this as equation 2. If you notice here in these two equations, equation 2 has y whose coefficient is 1. So we can easily represent y in terms of x. So y is equal to 1 minus x by 2, and Let me call this as equation 3. Now we can substitute equation 3 in equation 1 because we started it off from equation 2 to consider y or to represent y in terms of x. So I am going to use this. So substitute equation 3 in equation 1. So x divided by 4 plus y. Y is 1 minus x by 2 divided by 3 is equal to 5 by 12. So what happens to this? X by 4 plus 1 by 3 minus x divided by 6, that is because 2 into 3 is 6, is equal to 5 divided by 12. We are going to keep the constant towards one side. So I am shifting 1 by 3 towards the right hand side. So this becomes x minus 4 minus x by 6 is equal to 5 by 12 minus 1 by 3. Now let's take the LCM of 4 and 6, which is 12, because 4 3 is 12 and 6 2 is 12. What we can do here, because 4 3 is 12, we have to write 3x minus, because 6 2s are 12, we are going to write 2x is equal to, here also we can take LCM. LCM of 12 and 3 is 12, because 12 ones is 12, 3 fours is 12. So in the denominator we write 12. Here because it is 12 into 1 is 12, we are going to write 5 into 1 minus, here 3 into 4 is 12, so we are going to write 1 into 4. So this becomes 3x minus 2x is x, so x divided by 12, which is equal to 5 minus 4 is 1, so 1 divided by 12. Both the sides, 12 in the denominator gets cancelled. So we have x is equal to 1. We have the value of x, which is 1, which we will replace right now in either of these two equations. Let me consider this. So x by 2 plus y is equal to 1. So here x value is 1. 1 divided by 2 plus y is equal to 1. Y is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2, which is 1 by 2. Now what do we have to find out in the question? X plus y. So x plus y is equal to question mark. What is x? 1. What is y? 1 by 2. So 1 plus 1 by 2 is 3 by 2. So here option B is the right answer. So in today's episode we have solved a few problems based on a pair of linear equations in two variables. I hope you have all understood the questions very well. Practice it very well. And if you have any doubts, you can send me a message on my WhatsApp number, or you can put down your comments in the comment section. All these questions have appeared in one or the other previous year competitive exams, so practice them very well. In the coming few episodes, let me get back to you with more interesting questions based on these topics. Until then, keep watching us. And if you have liked the video, please do hit the like button and share it with your friend. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.